we're just like swapping out the equal sign for the alligator, right? As long as it's like this, as long as you're not dealing with any negatives, right? If you're not multiplying and dividing by a negative, you're doing it the exact same way, right? And I got my cheat codes already. As soon as you get your paper, I want you to do two things, right? You're going to put a G over here, and you're going to put an L over here, right? Put them in like boxes, okay? So now they're in boxes, all right? Now you know they're not part of the problem. They're just like a cheat code for you, right? So if the alligator is eating the G side, you're going to say greater than. If the alligator is eating the L side, it's less than. Let's just rock this out. All right, so we got x plus 3 is greater than, right, because it's facing my G, is greater than 4. All right, so if you remember, we got to get the x by itself, right? Because the x is a terrible person, right? X doesn't brush his teeth, right? X pops by your house unannounced and eats half your dinner.
I don't want to play with her.
Caillou, I'm busy and I can't be solving your problems all the time.
But Mommy!
All right, so no one needs to be near an x, all right? Let's just get rid of everything and get everything to the other side. All right, so we got to get rid of the plus 3. To get rid of a plus 3, we're going to minus 3, all right? Now, the most sacred rule in algebra, what you do to one side, you got to do it to the other, right? So we minus 3 over here, we'll minus 3 over here too. What do you know? We got 3 minus 3. Even my second graders know 3 minus 3 is nothing. It's 0.
I'm a unitard!
They're gone, all right? So over here we have x is greater than 4 minus 3. Get your calculator out. You got it. You put it in your calculator too, didn't you? All right. 4 minus 3 is 1. All right. We have x is greater than 1. Then we're just going to grade it, right? We're going to just pop a line down there. Here's a 1. All right. Now remember the golden rule. Right? Golden rule, right? If the alligator's eating a letter, it goes to the right. Look, there's no line underneath, right? So it's going to be an open circle. All right? Open circle. Send that sucker to the right, okay? That means every number that's bigger than 1 makes that true, all right? That's all you got to do. All right, let's take one with the negative, right? Got a little negative action happening right here, right? Got a little negativity in my life, all right? So we got negative 2x minus 1. Check out my cheat sheet. Is less than 5.
It was at this moment Goat forgot about the line under the alligator. That means or equal to. I cannot believe he didn't say or equal to. So for punishment, Goat will be forced to eat a Hot Pocket straight out of the microwave without letting it cool, not for 1 second. May God have mercy on the roof of his mouth.
Golden rule, right? We gotta move everything away from x, right? The dude's not brushing his teeth. I mean, literally, everyone needs to just get away from him.
You disgust me.
Right? So let's get rid of that negative 1. The opposite of negative 1, right? How do you get rid of negative 1 or minus 1, right? We're going to add 1. So we got plus 1 here, and what you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So we got plus 1 here. All right, negative 1 plus 1. Put it in your calculator, or not. I don't know. You could be like a goat yourself, right? So they're going to cancel out, right? Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. All right, so on this side, we got negative 2x. We're going to bring our sign down, right? Stick with the less than or equal to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we got negative 2x is less than or equal to 6. All right, so look, here's the special circumstance, okay? We got to divide by a negative number, right? We got to divide by the negative 2 to make sure that x is by itself and lonely, right? It's got to die alone with like 13 cats, right? Then even the cat's got to get away because everyone needs to get away from x. All right, so we're going to divide by negative 2. When we divide by negative 2, when you divide by any negative number, or multiply by a negative number, if that's what you're doing, right? We're going to flip this sign. Right? We're just punching on the side of the head, right? We're going to spin it around, all right? That's all you got to do, right? So we're going to do minus 2. I'm sorry, we're going to divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, all right? My sloppy right in there, Yo, these negative 2's are going to cancel. So we got the x by itself over here. We're flipping the sign. So now it's greater than or equal to. And then we got 6 divided by negative 2. You can put in your calculator if you like, or you can just trust me. I'm telling you right now, it's negative 3. All right, so we got x is greater than or equal to negative 3. All right, and then all we got to do is graph it, all right? All right, so our answer was x is greater than or equal to negative 3, right? So we just slap our line down there, right? We got negative 3, all right? Looks like it's or equal to, right? That line underneath there. That means we just got to put a dark circle, right? It's just a filled in circle, right? It means equal to 2, all right? So we're going to put that right there. You remember your cheat code, right? It says x is greater or equal to negative 3, right? And if the alligator eats the letter, we send that joint to the right, all right? Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. You're done. Yo, I'm telling you, you can do this. This is easy, all right? Stick with the goat. I got your back. All right, so listen, I just need you to subscribe, right? Hit that like button or something, right? Or like, you know, hit the like and then like log into another one and hit the like again. You know what I'm saying? All right. Yo, I'll see you later. Peace.